This is a native Hawaiian bird, and to be specific, a honey creeper. And this honey creeper had flew in, settled down, and had adapted to its surroundings, and in this case, the bench. Now, humans coming in and destroying their homes, destroying all that they knew, they have now created their own civilization, making all the birds endangered. And here we have this good Samaritan activist helping all those endangered native birds, going out their ways just so they can help those birds seek shelters in their sanctuaries and to keep them from going extinct.